donut?
No. The doggy wants a chocolate donut. I want the doggy wants a plate. Here you go. Do you want something brown? Oh, it's a waffle. Here you go. There's your table. Oopsie. I will put it on a plate. Oops, I need to put this. Yes. Bigger one. Thank you. Do you want a chair? Yes. Gabby, I'm having a tea party with all my friends.
Cool.
Look, Minnie Mouse.
It's right here.
It's right here.
You gonna ask her?
Yes. I want some tea. Minnie Mouse wants some tea.
Minnie Mouse wants some tea?
Yes. You can hold Minnie Mouse. You can sit down on. See, Gabby, you can sit down. Minnie Mouse can sit down on your lap. Dog needs a chair.
What are you making?
I'm making all my things. This is a chair.
That's a chair for who?
For the doggy to sit down on it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Doggy's gonna sit on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Take it where the Islander first.
He wants to eat. It's gonna fall. Do you want these two down there? No. No. You want to watch? No. This is too hard for me. Ouch. This will be a great softie. It's not for Minnie Mouse, it's for the dog. Silly. Do you love your fluffy toys? Wow, we got some number 12.
11.
11? 12.
11.
11. What's that number? Under, over, under, over. This is a car. It got a hole on it.